What's up, peeps? Today we are going to Universal Orlando Studios, and they haven't seen it yet. They don't know what it is, but they're pretty excited, right, girls? Come on, let's walk a little bit faster, and they'll love it. So let's get all the way through checking and all that, and I'll get back with you guys, okay? Later. So we finally made it through check-in and everything. Now we're with the girls, with the wife, and the mother-in-law is nowhere to be found. So she'll find us. We'll see. This is epic. This place is amazing right now. So far, I've seen Billabong, which is right here, Cinnabon, Red Oven Pizza Bakery, Stone Stove, Starbucks. So we have a couple of nice restaurants and locations here. So we'll keep on going, and I'll get back with you guys in a bit. All right, bye. So here we are entering Universal Studios, Florida. Excited? Excited? How awesome is this, peeps? Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. We're about to take a picture in a minute, so give us a quick second. Look at all that in there. We're gonna walk all that. Woohoo! Yeah! So we're in the Harry Potter train. We're not supposed to be recording, but I am anyways. Real quick, suegro, suegra, baby girl, wife, she's excited, and I'm super excited. Bye. So they actually closed the doors on us, so it's even better. Look at that. The wife is super excited. Look at that.
Oh.
London. That's in London.
This is Logan. We're in London.
Look at the black smoke.
It's getting dark out there.
Find a compartment.
Could use a snack. Where's the food trolley? Marnie, can't you conjure up some pumpkin pasties?
Wrong. Food is the first of the 5 principal exceptions to Gapp's law of elemental transfiguration.
Potter, right?
Do you know what she's talking about?
Creatures. Something from the trolley, dear. I'd say you'd earned it.
Any chocolate frogs?
Oh, dear. Best get back to your seats now. I'll try and round up these little runaways.
Hagrid!
The who?
Hagrid?
You got it. It's a giant.
Enjoy the ride, Dad.
All right.
There's several movies.
Look at it.
What a real longhorn.
So that's it. Let me cut it off here. Bye. So I have to say, peeps, had an amazing time at Universal Studios. One of a kind. Was able to see the Harry Potter building, everything. I have so many pictures. It's not even funny. I came to get my bag because the wife's feet hurt, so you know I gotta be understandable, and it's time to go. But look at the globe, people. Look at the globe. Whoop. Ain't that awesome? But yeah, the girls, the wife, the father-in-law, everybody had a hell of a time. And let me show you this view real quick so you can see what I'm telling you. Look at this. It's amazing. It's 2 parks in one, so you can't go wrong. We didn't go to the Hard Rock Cafe or the Chocolate Emporium, but hopefully next time we'll go. But it's a nice strip that you can actually enjoy a bunch here. So here it is. So we finally made it. It was amazing. It was a hell of a walk, but I enjoyed it to the fullest. I really, really did. It was a first time experience for me, and I enjoyed it. It was amazing, especially Harry Potter was like, oh, oh, oh. And for the girls, did you guys like it?
Yeah.
You sure? Don't look at the mess. It's a huge mess in the car. What's their favorite part, babe?
I like Harry Potter.
So the wife liked Harry Potter. I liked Harry. Actually, I liked the whole park. You?
I like the train.
She liked the train from Harry Potter. You?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
She liked SpongeBob SquarePants. Oh, and also E.T. E.T. was badass. It was real
And Men
good.
in Black.
Men in
Leo
Black?
kicked our ass.
Oh, that girl right there, she whooped our ass.
E.T. and the
Men in Black.
I like those.
And somebody became an actress today, became a trainer.
I like that.
Yeah. It was pretty cool, people. It was pretty amazing. It was good. It was really good. One of a lifetime experience. So we're about to head out to get something to eat, back to the hotel, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.